Welcome to the TaxiTapp dispatch portal. Before you start using the platform, you will need to complete the following 5 steps. Customize your portal settings, create a zone, create your pricing scheme, create a driver, and connect to your bank account. To track your drivers on the map, you will need to edit your settings. Go into the Preferences tab and then select General. Enter in your company's address location. You can then enter a cancellation fee for no-shows and double bookings, and make sure you have the correct time zone. Next, you must create a zone in order to receive a passenger's request. Go to the Preferences tab and select Zones. Click Add New Zone and begin to create the details. A higher priority number means this zone will be used first if zones are ever overlapping. For example, if you give the blue zone a priority of 3 and the red zone a priority of 4, then the red zone's pricing will be used if the zones ever overlap. Make sure to put a number in the scale input field for initial placement. When the zones appear, you will be able to drag the zone to the exact area your company services. Remember to save when you are complete. In the Preferences tab, click Pricing. After creating a name, decide whether this scheme will be continuous or flat rate. If it is flat rate, simply enter in the price, then make sure you always have a pickup and drop-off zone selected to avoid errors. Make sure you also specify the days of the week this scheme will apply for. If you choose to create a continuous rate, after selecting your zones and days, you have to enter your minimum fare and flag drop. The minimum fare is the minimum amount a passenger must pay, while the flag drop is the rate automatically set when the passenger enters the vehicle. Next, complete all input fields under the mileage and waiting time sections. You can customize these sections based off specific miles and minutes. Once again, all 5 boxes in each section must be filled or you will receive an error. You do not need to complete the extra passengers, extra luggage, wheelchair, or infant sections if your company does not charge. Next, to create a driver, go into the Fleet tab. Fill in all input boxes or you will receive an error. The email and password field will be used by the driver to log in to the driver application. When you first use the dispatch software, you will be prompted to connect your bank account. You must connect your bank account in order to receive payment from passengers through their user application. If you want to edit your bank account in the future, you can always click on the Company tab and select Bank Info. You can now dispatch a ride to the driver you created. Click Add New Ride. At a minimum, each dispatch must include a pickup and drop-off location and phone number. Make sure the pickup and drop-off is in your zone or you will receive an error. If you leave the automatic dispatch button checked at the bottom of the form, then the system will automatically dispatch the ride to all your drivers. If multiple drivers accept, then the system will automatically assign the ride to the closest driver to the pickup location. If you uncheck the automatic dispatch button, then you can assign the ride to a specific driver. To market TaxiTapp in your area, you can use the pre-made materials on the TaxiTapp website, which includes download cards, card decals, and much more. For additional help, you can view our YouTube channel and contact us at any time at support@taxitapp.net.